to clean our carpet. It's so dirty right now. There's so many stains. I don't know what kind of stains are this. So ito yung gagamitin ko. This is a German brand. We bought it in DM. It's for carpet, for couch. It's for synthetic fibers. So the natural fiber is not okay for this. You have to shake first. Shake it, shake it, shake, 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 shake. And then you have to spray on the area where there are stains or dirt. So this is spray. It's so dirty. Then you have to brush it. Just use any regular brush what you have. You don't need a special one. Just use the one, whatever you have for brushing. It says leave it for 4 hours, right? And then you vacuum again. When it dries out, you vacuum again. Leave it for 4 hours. This one and this one. So I'm gonna try it with the lights on. And let's see if it'll become. I guess you need to wait for a while for the chemicals to react. I don't know. Voila. It's done. See, nothing. I'll try another one. This one.
It was here.
Yeah, it was here. And it's done. It's gone.
There's here. Okay.
Put more.
Here.
There. Let's take this out. So many.
Later. That's what you get when you have fish.
Yeah. You have to work your muscle, baby. Work it out. And it's a goner also. We take two. Let's try the colored ones. I want to do that also.
You hold this.
So this one, this is so obvious, right? It's so like dark. When he's trying to brush it, it cannot be clean. So I'm gonna spray it with the, use the, there's not, it's still there.
It's hard.
That's what you have to use.
It's still there.
It's still there, so you have to use this thing. Still there. So I'm lightly brushing it. I'm not pushing it hard the way he was doing it, brushing it without the foam. I'm just rubbing it lightly, like lightly. Okay, I don't give any force too much to the brush, but I think it's done already. I'm just like, but here the little ones are gone already. It's gone. Wow, I think it's gone, or there's a little here. If your carpet is made of synthetic fibers, then you use this one. So it really works. You know, try again. But it really gives us wonders already. Our carpet is so dirty. There you go. We're doing this while the kids are all sleeping because we just want to avoid any chemicals. Maybe it will harm them or that, but it's better that they're not near to this product. There's not much smell to this, but I can smell that there is something, but it's not that too much. So I finished vacuuming the carpet. It's really nice. Like, I know it cannot be seen here in the video how clean it is, but it really is nice. That thing, the one we're using to clean this carpet, really works. So all of the stains, because you know we have 2 children and cannot be avoided, stains everywhere, so it really does work. It's gone, most of it, like I mean 90%, I guess, because really it's really nice. It was so dirty last time with all the stains and dirt and dust, and it really is working good. So if you want to know what's the name and the brand of that product we're using, just comment down below and I'll give you the picture and the name of that product.